Welcome guys. Friday, that's the last trading session in this particular week. We have seen that S&P 500 has hit all-time high. To the surprise of the traders, none of the stocks people were holding from last 3 months have given any profit. Rather, they have gone into loss. Why this is happening? This is happening because market is going up, making new highs with new sectors. The sector leadership and the focus on the stocks have changed. People were catching on Apple, people were catching on Neo, people were looking at what you call Tesla. None of them are really making new highs nor moving positively. At least now, after this particular review, I'm sure people can now shift into the right stocks and the right sectors going forward so that they can see some good trades, profitable trades going forward. One of the sectors when I was doing this analysis, I found that S&P 500 energy sector is made a higher top. It's already made a higher bottom. The current focus is on energy stocks. Now energy stocks are in the limelight. Now what constitutes this particular energy stocks? If you could see the major movers on Friday, Marathon Oil, Hess Corporation, Occidental Petroleum have done decent enough. They were giving some sort of leadership. Some more movers like DVN and VLO HFC, they also have given some decent moves on Friday. So focusing on energy sector and energy stocks in the current scenario can give you some good results. Now let's look into another sector, that's the materials. If you could see, this was a pre-COVID high and all-time high earlier, and now the pre-COVID high is crossed in the case of materials sector, and it's also making new high. You could see the previous high was 490 and today it's 502. What does that speak about? It speaks about materials are leading the market. That's giving the sector leadership to the market today. I can show you another sector which is not given new high. Just check this. Healthcare. All-time high has been 1384 and currently it's around 1359. Right? Only few stocks in this sector are trying to show strength, but index overall is not able to make new high. Whereas materials is making new high. The previous high has been this and currently it's a new high. What are those material stocks which we can just look at it? NUE, FCX, APD and BLL, IFF and LYB. All these are showing some sort of positive moves in the current scenario. So selectively in this particular sector, which is the materials sector, one can look into good breakouts, good trading levels to play positively and make some decent money. One more sector, industrials. We could see the pre-COVID high and the recent high, and today, that's on Friday, there's another new high formed in this particular sector. The point which I want to draw home is industrials along with materials and energy are the stocks which are giving strength. So it is not a surprise why S&P 500 made high. All the front end stocks, whether you talk about Alibaba, whether you talk about Amazon, whether you talk about Tesla, whether you talk about Neo, all that hangover is over. They are taking a break, they are taking a breakdowns. These are taking breakouts, these are giving breakouts, and these are giving the strength to the market. It's time for smart traders to stop thinking why my stocks are not making any new high or not giving any profit, though they are fundamentally good and have a good long-term outlook. Yes, the long-term outlook is still there. You have patience, hold on to the right stocks in those sectors, Have that patience and trust they will come back. If you don't have patience, if you're worried about it in the short term, it's time to focus to the right stocks in this sector. Now, let me show you what are the important stocks which have done excellently well in the recent past. One of the things you can see that United Rentals, URI, PWR, Quanta Services, EXPD. These are reasonably doing well, and other things which are in focus is TDG. So these stocks are really giving strength to the market. These sectors is where you need to be selective and focus more of your trading in industrials, energy, materials. This doesn't mean that you should not be in IT, you should not be in communications, you should not be in IT, you should not be in healthcare, you should not be in financials. You can be in these sectors also. But choose the right stock in these sectors. It can be maybe 10 to 20% or 30% of the stocks in these sectors can be doing good. All others are taking a break or breakdowns. But if you go to industrials, materials, or energy, you should be seeing more of the stocks in this sector doing better than IT sector stocks, or maybe communication sector stocks or healthcare sector stocks. I hope these things will put in proper perspective for you before you go for trading next week. Happy trading. Thank you.